Hello, welcome back to another video of Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. In this video, I'll be talking about how to get there with different transport links. First one is from the shuttle bus. Your journey to the Studio Tour is carbon free as our buses are powered by electric. This journey is included as part of your entry ticket. Regular shuttle buses operate from Watford Junction to the Studio Tour with a journey time of around 15 minutes. Buses run at least every 30 minutes from 9:20am, with additional services available from 8:15am when the first tour is at 9am. The last return shuttle bus back to Watford Junction will depart the Studio Tour when the tour closes. For more information regarding this, please see the open times calendar. Please note e-scooters are not permitted on our shuttle bus or on site at the Studio Tour. For people's safety and for your safety and what the rules are, and just because people just don't want to follow the rules doesn't mean you have to wait for everyone else. Okay, so there's two videos I'm going to show you now of the shuttle bus. One that was 3 years ago and one that was 7 months ago. Enjoy. Next one. Okay. That's the shuttle bus. The next one, let me just try and find the video for it as well, is train. I'm just trying to show you a little video by train. Which is, there isn't any. I'll just tell you about it. By train, the Studio Tour's nearest railway station is Watford Junction, and direct services arrive there from both London Euston, 20-minute journey, and Birmingham New Street, 1-hour journey. Other non-direct train services operate from London Euston, but please be aware that these may take longer to arrive at Watford Junction. Oyster cards are valid between London Euston and Watford Junction. Travel from central London direct to the Studio Tour by bus with Golden Tours. If you're travelling by road, parking is provided free of charge in a car park directly outside the Studio Tour. A number of blue disability badge parking bays are available close to the main entrance for the convenience of eligible visitors. When entering the car park, please make sure you have your booking confirmation ready to show our car parking team. If visiting as part of a group travelling independently, each vehicle will require a booking confirmation to show at the car park entrance. Priority parking is located next to the Studio Tour entrance and is available to purchase online with your Studio Tour tickets for an additional £10. Priority parking is only available to pre-book online ahead of your visit and cannot be purchased on the day. If you have chosen to receive e-tickets, your priority parking ticket will be delivered with your admission tickets as an email attachment. If you have chosen to receive your tickets via the post, you will receive a printed priority parking ticket. On arrival to the Studio Tour, please present your priority parking ticket. You'll receive a windscreen sticker and be directed to a priority parking base closest entrance. I've actually got a windscreen sticker, which I will show you now. This is what you need to put on your car if you have priority parking. It will show that you've got a parking permit, that you can be there. And it also goes on your wall. Okay, if you're using a sat nav, our postcode is WD257LR. As we approach Studio Tour, brown traffic signs labelled Warner Brothers Studio Tour will help direct you to our entrance. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Studio Tour using the 3 words app with the keywords blah blah blah. If you're travelling by taxi. Warner Bros. Studio Tour London has a drop-off and pick-up point which you can navigate to using our postcode WD25 7LR. For the safety of all our visitors, we recommend only using pre-booked licensed taxis. The studio tour is based in Leavesden, and a number of local taxi routes service this area. If you require assistance, a member of staff at our information desk will be happy to help. Directions. The studio tour has its own free car park. When arriving, follow the signs for Warner Bros. Studio Tour London. Please note the studio tour is situated next to the studios. Please avoid parking in the multi-storey car parks, which are only reserved for production crews. If you're arriving from the north, exit the M1 at junction 6A and merge onto the M25 Heathrow. Exit the M25 at junction 20 and head south-east on the A41 towards London, northwest and central. Keep in the left-hand lane at the Hunton Bridge roundabout. Move into left-hand lane for the A405 St Albans, and then take the left-hand fork ahead. At the first roundabout, take the second exit straight on. At the second roundabout, take the first exit into the studio tour. If you're arriving from the M25, clockwise, exit at M25 at junction 19. At the Hunton Bridge roundabout, take the second exit on to the A41 Central London and move into the second hand lane for the A405 St Albans. If you're arriving from London, exit the M1 at junction 5 and take the A41 North Watford for approximately 3 miles. At the Hunton Bridge roundabout, take the fourth exit back onto the A41, keep in the left lane and take the first exit. Keep left at the Y junction. At the first roundabout, take the second exit straight on. At the second roundabout, take the first exit into the studio tour. Bus transfers. Why not make your journey hassle-free by travelling from central London direct to the studio tour by bus? Our preferred partner, Golden Tours, offers convenient return transfer and ticket packages on their buses. Transfer-only options are also available for those who have already purchased their tickets. If you're travelling from an airport, the studio tour is easy to reach by road and rail from all 4 major London airports. London Luton, 17 miles away. London Heathrow, 23 miles. London Stansted, 47 miles. And London Gatwick, 58 miles. Thank you for watching this video.